We just finished up at Poza de Felicidad, which means happiness pool, and the hunters were doing their job quite well and were fishing the whole time as we took a break. He's got some fish here that they caught. Want to give him a kiss? No. Okay, adventure update. We just turned the corner and found Angel Falls right as the storm hit us. We're still pushing our way up the rapids. And now the sky's falling. And it feels pretty good. It feels very appropriate. Angel Falls is right behind the trees right here. We're about 10 minutes away from the camp where we're going to spend the night. And it should be a beautiful view right from the campsite of Angel Falls. Woohoo! Lex, it seems like whenever we start an adventure, the weather just decides to bomb out on us. Bring it on. Let's see your best show. The camp is a couple levels above what I thought we were sleeping in. This is amazing. Kind of creepy, for sure. So we're walking along the pass to try to find a good viewpoint of Angel Falls, and there's all of these abandoned campsites. We've been here for about an hour, and the only people here are us and our group. But we've gone through maybe 4 or 5 of these abandoned locations. At one point, I'm guessing they're all full, that's why they built so many. And now it's just us.
All right, something exciting happened. We just finished dinner and we were doing a little night hike to take some shots of the stars and the falls. I had the headlamp on my head and this giant thing flew at me from the bushes, and it's a moth, but the moth is like, what, almost a foot wingspan, maybe 10 inches? What does he feel like?
Heavy. His fingers are like, where it's like we're holding hands.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Looks so soft. It's like it's covered in fur. We're making eye contact right now.
He loves you right now.
This is so cool.
I've never seen a moth so big in my life.
This is so cool.
What is he doing? You see his red eyes on the iPhone, look. So we were brushing our teeth and there was these 2 eyes glowing up in the trees, and it's a giant tree frog. Wow.
Oh my.
Look at him. He's so beautiful.
Hey, little guy. It's not real.
He's like as big as your face. He'll turn into a prince.
Do you think he'll turn into a prince?
I think so. Or you might die of some kind of poison.
Some sort of jungle.
Or you
disease.
might see a prince because
I'll be dead.
It's a hallucinogen.
Oh my god.
Wow, his eyes are huge.
So are yours.
Yeah.
You guys literally have matching eyes right now.
Hands back on the tree. Oh, wow, look at that. What an epic way to end the night, right?
Oh my god.
Go, fuck. Jesus. How did you get inside the net? Oh my god, he's... Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. We're up. There's a wasp inside. Yeah. See? It's like, look at him. He's like a mouse.
I missed out on all the action.
And that's how you wake up in the jungle. The plan today is to have some coffee, wipe the sleep out of our eyes, and do a 1 hour hike to the top, not the top of the falls, the base of the falls. Hey, Lexie. Lipstick.
Cool.
It's kind of sideways. Don't look at that. There we go. There we go. It looks like paper or cloth.
It's like a skeleton.
All eaten by a caterpillar or something, right?
Mm-hmm. Trippy.
Okay. We're getting pretty sweaty. We've been walking uphill for probably like 30-40 minutes. You can hear the airplane circling overhead. So when you do Angel Falls, there's two options really. Do the airplane flight over the falls, which seems pretty sick. Or you can do the 4-hour rafting, 1-night camping at the base of the falls, which is even more sick. So we chose to do the camping over the flying. Is this it? Yeah? Oh my god, oh my god, okay. How's the view? Crazy. Crazy? Okay. Oh wow. Two private tickets. The tallest waterfall in the world, please. We're the only people here.
Just as cool as I thought it was gonna be. That's the dream.
We didn't know this till we got here, but there is a pool at the base of Angel Falls. So it cascades into a mist that then turns into a trickle and then turns into a beautiful waterfall and a pool. So after a nice long sweaty hike, best thing to do, swim in Angel Falls. Life's amazing. Angel Falls. Welcome to the part of the series where we sit down with beer and drink a beer.
No, Angel Falls.
My favorite part is the beer drinking wrap-up videos we do at the very end of all of these series videos. So, episode 2 of the Venezuela travel series, Angel Falls, Canaima National Park. Give me 3 words. No.
Breathtaking. Unbelievable.
And?
Wet.
So, as you can probably tell, we had a fantastic time in Canaima National Park. Started off with the Salto Sapo video, which you probably already saw already, and then the next day was going to Angel Falls. And let me reiterate that this waterfall is 1,000 meters high, and it is the highest waterfall.
The tallest waterfall on the planet.
And there was nobody there.
No one.
Did I tell you that the guide, Tony, said that there used to be 500 people a day there?
There were 2.
There was 2, us 2.
There were 2 that day.
And so much abandoned infrastructure. Because since tourism tanked, how many years ago that was, these people don't go anymore. So it's laid to waste. The jungle's taking it back over. And that jungle is definitely a jungle. We saw some creatures in that jungle that were wild.
Oh, that moth at night, it was like the same size as my face.
Yeah. No, it just blows my mind that one of the most incredible sights in the world. Let's forget about Angel Falls for a second. Canaima National Park. Angel Falls is one little speck in a huge area that has the most unique landscape I've seen in my entire life. You don't see those giant table mountains.
Huge table mountains and this
anywhere
winding
else.
River that's almost the color of the river was almost red. I don't know if you can notice it in the video, but it was almost like dyed red from the leaves.
And it would rain, and so how Angel Falls actually is a waterfall is, it's funny, the guide actually never told us this. The guide wasn't the best guide. He gave us a lot of privacy to take photos and videos, but he wasn't exactly the most informative man. Anyway, but we found out on our own that it's because of the rain. So rain clouds form on top of these giant pillar mountains, and that's what feeds all of these waterfalls. And so even when it's not raining,
constant.
Angel Falls always has water from just the rain that's pooled there. But when it does rain, that day it did rain, there's 100 small Angel Falls all pouring off
of different mountains.
So beautiful there, and it just makes me feel sad that more people don't know how beautiful that is. So we're gonna get into specifics about the prices of the flights and the tours and all that kind of stuff. At the very end, we'll do a wrap-up video summarizing our entire experience. Lexi's already made a blog post about this. If you don't want to wait and you want to get into it now, on her blog, Living Lost. Make sure to check out her Instagram as well. It's Lexie Limitless. And if you don't know me, I'm Mike Corey of Fearless and Far. I like making videos about crazy places, cool things, and that's kind of what brought us together for this adventure. There's the last video of Salto Sapo, the waterfall we visited previously to Angel Falls. It was insanely beautiful if you missed it. And as well, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching the Venezuela travel series. There's still probably at least a video or 2 left, so there's definitely 1 left. Maybe 2. Maybe we'll see.
We'll see.
But I hope you enjoy those as well. Experience our possessions, and catch you guys in the next video.